all you good people, and beautiful Switzerland. Yes. Oh, I can see the big cowbell. Oh, she's so calm. She doesn't harm humans. Big cow.
Yeah. She knew.
In India, cows are
you come
from India to take a picture. In
In
India, cows are really aggressive. They will run behind you.
Aggressive?
Yeah, sometimes, not all, but. Oh, I want to touch it. Please, can you please record it for me?
Yeah, you can touch her. Is it still filming?
Yes, it's
Het is goed. Het gaan gebeuren.
She's afraid of me. No. She's running.
Normally you can touch them.
She can recognize Swiss people and Indian people. It is a language. We can speak with them. I have to learn then. She don't like me. मित्रांनो बघू शकता एक गाय खूप मोठी आणि तिच्या गळ्यात ती पारंपरिक स्विस काऊ बेल आहे जी त्यांच्या गळ्यात घातली जाते आणि ह्या गायी अशा चरत असतात डोंगरांमध्ये. खूप साऱ्या गायी आहेत आणि खूप साऱ्या वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या काऊ बेल्स आहेत.
There is no word for cowbell in Hindi.
It's घंटी. Ghanti.
But now you use the word cowbell.
Cowbells, yes. People know it, like they can understand English also sometimes. Oh, there's a bull. You can see the brown one.
Ah, yeah.
It is a bull. A lot of cows.
Oh, there are many more, much more.
Yes. Sometimes Swiss government is also like conscious about the cows. They are trying to control the number of cows because of the nitrogen emission and greenhouse gases from cows. India has a big number of cattle, so this is the same problem in India also.
Okay.
She's the pregnant one, I feel.
Yeah, looks like so.
Oh.
This one is a shot.
No. I don't want to take risk because tomorrow I'm flying.